Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna go over whether Instagram notifies somebody if you screenshot a post or a story or a message. Many users are afraid of taking a screenshot because they think that Instagram will send notifications to the person whose contents screenshots they are taking. But the question is, does Instagram notify you when you screenshot a story? And the answer is no. Instagram does not notify the users who posted the story when someone else takes a screenshot of his or her story. However, Instagram introduced the feature of notifying users when screenshot a story for a few months back in 2018. And currently, the feature is not available and therefore, you can take screenshots of stories without any worry. Okay, and the only way Instagram sends a notification to the sender of the message when the receiver takes a screenshot is through direct message. And this is to protect the privacy of Instagram users. Here we have the chat here, the direct message. Then as you can see here, this is the only way the Instagram sends a notification when the sender of the message took a screenshot through this direct message. Okay, that's it guys. I hope this video helps you a lot.